Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a brand new generator for you. This is the DK9000 tri-fuel generator. So this is a tri-fuel generator, 9,200 watts. You can get everything you need in a small and compact generator. This has the exact same engine as the 11,000, the 10.5. If you're looking for a small, compact, powerful generator for your RV or home backup with the 50 amp plug, so you can run the ACs, the whole RV. If you have a 50 amp RV, this one will do it for you. Pull start, remote start, push button start. Let's do a quick overview of this generator, all right? I'm gonna show you the size, and it is tri-fuel, like I said, okay? Let's look at the front real quick. Up front, you have this long telescoping handle, so you can move this around. You got your remote start right here, so you can stop this from anywhere inside your RV or inside your home. You got your fuel selector, off, propane, natural gas, and gas. We're gonna run it on natural gas today just to do a quick load test on it. Turn this on, you have your full digital display, push start, low idle mode. It does have the battery charger, so if you store this, you can plug it in and keep your battery nice and charged. This one has a lithium-ion battery in it. 240 volts, USB over here, you push to restart. It is parallel capable. You have your main breaker over here. Under that, you have your 50 amp plug. This is what you're going to use for your home backup or 50 amp RV. You do have the 4-pin twist lock, 30 amp, 240 volt. You do have the 30 amp for the 30 amp RVs. You can plug in right here, and two 120 volt plugs. Here's your inlet, all the breakers for this, and your grounding plug right here. I like the color, black and blue. It is pull start capable, so if you happen to leave that battery on, you can pull start it. Alright guys, so I'm going to take off the side panel, and this is the side with the pull start. So this, even though it's a large generator, it does have pull start. So if your battery goes dead or you accidentally leave it on and the battery dies, you have a pull start. So we're going to put some oil in the generator so you can actually take this sign off once you put oil in your generator. So everyone knows that it already has oil in it, okay? It does not have oil. That's what that sign is for. All capacity 1.1 quart. Alright, so quart right here, 1.17 quart, 37.2 ounces. I'm going to use 10W30, just regular 10W30, no synthetic until the generator is fully broken in. That's your oil level. You're going to bring it all the way up to the top. That's full. This has the exact same engine as the 11,000 Gen Max, the 10,500 Gen Max. So you have the 458cc engine in the 9200. So essentially it has the same engine as the larger generators. There's a fan over here. Be careful when you pull this off. Be careful for the fan. So what I do is I pull this out a little bit, and then pull this out, unplug your fan, and swing it to the side. The fan I was talking about, see, I disconnected it. I'm just gonna leave this right here, so when we put the top back on, I'll plug the fan back in. You have your starter right there, oil fill right here, oil filter over here. I would recommend getting a piece of paper towel and slide it on the bottom so you don't make a mess. Do not take the oil filter out before you drain the oil. When you do your oil change, all that oil will come rushing out of there. This is your reusable oil filter. It's an oil screen, so you just stick that back in. You will see it has oil in it for the pre-check, so from the factory. Not too tight, just snug. Now we can add our 1.1 quart. 1 quart should. The dipstick does have a magnetic tip, so if you're looking to add one of these, it comes with it. Someone's gonna ask me 10W30. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, you see the oil on the very top. It's almost ready to leak out. That's where you want it. That's your full mark. So you got your oil in, put your dipstick back in. Everyone asks me about break-in. Guys, get the generator on eco mode, put a small load on it, preferably like a refrigerator, something that goes on and off. Let it run for at least 30 to an hour. Change the oil, you're good. You don't have to do no fancy break-in oil. You don't have to do anything special. Just put the oil in there, run the generator on eco mode with a small load on it, preferably a refrigerator that goes on and off so it cycles. Then change your oil, clean your filter, use your generator. Try not to get it over 50% load in the first, like try to keep it under, well, let's say 5,000, and you're fine. You don't have to do anything special. You don't have to run it for 5 hours. No, just use the generator and it will be okay. All right guys, we're on the other side. Again, I took the 3 screws out. Put your hands right here in the middle, pull it out. Watch for your fan cable, the same fan cable. This one's long enough, it can fit right here. You can just disconnect it, make life easier. Now we're gonna connect the battery. This is your lithium-ion battery right here. It's a battery pack. You have one cable over here. Fish around, find the other end, connect them together. That's it. Let's connect this one, then we'll take the generator outside. We'll do a quick run, and then we're gonna do a little load test on it. All right. Okay, connected the battery. I'm gonna connect that little fan, and you can see this is insulated, so it should keep the generator nice and quiet. So that's it. You got your carburetor over here, nice space for your air filter. You should be able to get in here and change your air filter, clean it out, no problem. Here's a few specifications right here. So like I say, it's the DK9200 tri-fuel. You have all your peaks right here on gas and propane. 9,200 starting on gas, 7,800 rated on gas. 8,200 peak on LP. 7,000 on LP rated. On natural gas, 6,400 started peak and 5,400 running. Fuel tank 4.9, but this is one of the lightest generators, and it's the smallest compact, 36 by 24 by 26. Like I said, if you're looking for a small generator, there it is. Perfect for the RV or home backup. You don't want something big, you can try this one out. All right guys, so I'm out here. I got this thing connected to propane. I'm gonna do a quick load test. First thing you want to do is get your gas selected, propane. All right, so you point this to propane, open up your tank, turn on your power, push start. First start, I'm just gonna let it run for about 30 test for you guys. See if we can start a 3-ton AC. That's all I have over here at the shop, so we're just going to do a load test on that. Refrigerator, lights, and see how much we pull. I usually pull right around 3,000 watts, so just a quick test. Come over here, got my inlet plugged in. I'll come right here, I'll shut my main off. My main is off, I come up, then I turn my generator on. As you can see, we're pulling some power. I'll go inside and turn the AC on. Guys, I'll come over here, I'll have to turn the AC all the way down. AC units running on the generator. I do have a self-start in this AC, so that helps it a lot for the startup. But it is running on the 9200. Alright guys, we're about 23 feet away from the generator. 66.7 dBs. About 23 feet away. So I turned the AC off, just waiting for it to shut off the fan. Once it shuts off, I'll come over here, I'll turn my generator main off, and then I'll turn the main power back on. Alright guys, there you have it. The DK9200. This is the same brand as Gen Max, so the warranty is basically the same thing. The Gen Max and DK, the parent company. Most of the engine in the generators Gen Max is the DK. So if you're looking for a compact 9,200 watt generator, check this one out, the DK9200 tri-fuel. So it will be on the website. I'll put the link down in the description. You guys click it, this will take you to the store, Generator Superstore, and you can buy it from anywhere in the nation. We'll ship it to you, free shipping. And if you're in the Houston area, you can come by and pick it up. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this quick video on the DK9200. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.